The first way to fix most problems on your pick slate is to initiate a forced restart. So just press and hold power and volume up for between 10 and 20 seconds and then release. And then wait another 5 to 10 seconds and you should see the Google logo. This fixes the phone frozen, black screen of death, and out not working properly. Now the second thing is get your SIM ejector tool and take out your SIM card. If you're having SIM card problems, you may need to just clean this yellow part of the SIM. So get, your t-shirt or a towel, microfiber cloth, just rub this part of the SIM card, put it back in, and then reinsert it into the phone. That should also solve any problems. Now the third thing is after the phone is unlocked, if we open settings, then scroll all the way down until you see system, then scroll to the bottom and select the reset options. If you're having network problems, you can reset mobile network settings. If it's a Wi-Fi problem, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If your mic or just something in an app is not working, you can reset the app preferences and then try that action that you're doing again. And the final thing is maybe if the black screen of death is persisting, or the mic's not working, if something's not working, just turn off the phone. So click and release power and volume up, then tap power off. And with two fingers, we're going to push really hard down all the way across the back of the screen, okay, and push with maximum force. All right, you won't break the phone. And so what may have happened is a battery cable, display cable, microphone cable, maybe an unplugged push on top of the camera as well. And so if we add this excessive force, this may push that cable back into place, and then our problem will be solved. So it's going to go all the way across like this. Boom. Repeat it for the full phone. And then press and hold the power button. This should turn on the phone. If it doesn't, press and hold power and volume up for 20 seconds. And hopefully that solves the problem. If your Pixel's not charging, you may have gunk in the charging port. So you may just want to use like a tweezer, like a needle, something really thin. And from the very bottom of the phone, scrape down and swipe up to remove the junk. And then from the very top as well. There is this in the middle there, that USB-C connector. I mean, if you scrape it, it's not the end of the world. But ideally, you don't want to be messing around with that. If you scrape that out, some junk should come out. There you go.